Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the door lock on a Zanussi washing machine. If your door won't open, then suspect the handle as it may be broken. If you need to find out how to release the door with a broken handle, then please see our other videos, how to release a stuck door on a washing machine. However, if the machine won't start, then it's likely to be the door lock. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. Whilst you're at the door, it's a good idea to check the door handle, make sure the mechanism is working correctly, and this one seems to be fine. Also, it's worth pointing out that some machines have a child lock feature here, so make sure that hasn't been inadvertently activated before changing the door lock. To access the door lock here, I need to be able to remove and push in the door seal so I can reach behind the panel and grab the door lock. To be able to do that, I need to release the outer retaining band from the outside of the door sill. You should be able to do this by hand, but it might be easier if yours is a bit stiff to use a flat-headed screwdriver and just separate the teeth here. So pull that off, and then with that removed, I can push the door sill inside the machine. With the door sill now inside the machine, I can grab a hold of the door lock from inside and undo the two screws that hold it in place. The screws are removed, I can now pull out the door lock. The door lock is housed in this electrical cover here. So to release that and access the electrical connections, I just need to use a flat-headed screwdriver just to lift up these flaps, and then I can pull the door lock away and release the electrical connections. Once you do that, you can then simply grab your new door lock, refit the connections, and then pop it back in this electrical cover, like so. You can then fit it back to the washing machine. To fit the door lock to the machine, simply line up these two screw holes to the correct position, like so. Grab your door lock cover, and then you can simply refit the screws. Now the new door lock is fitted, I can unfurl the door seal and just make sure it fits around the lip on the machine here. Make sure that's nicely in position before then refitting your outer retaining band. With the door seal now properly fitted and our door lock in place, it's a good idea just to check that the door does indeed close and lock properly. So there we have it, one new door lock fitted to this Zanussi washing machine. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.